A court judgment that protected 15,000 crores for 25 years was thrown out. Not because Saif had lost a legal argument, but because the judge who wrote it in 2000 cited the wrong case. In 1999, two separate sets of heirs filed suits in Bhopal district court. One suit was filed by Begum Suraya Rashid and others descendants of Nawab Hamidullah Khan through a different family line. And the second suit was filed by Rabia Sultan and others, another set of heirs with the same arguments. Everybody was coming to get Saif's properties. Well, they said that under Muslim personal law, Nawab's private property had to be distributed among all the legal heirs, not handed over wholesale to Sajida just because she became the next ruler. The government's 1962 letter doesn't override the personal law of succession. Well, the common belief is that royal estate families follows royal succession. Whoever inherits the throne inherits the property. That's how it's always been. Well, not so fast. The 1949 merger agreement between Bhopal and Union of India had a specific clause, Article 7, that said that the Nawab's property goes with the succession to the throne. Sajida became the ruler, so automatically everything goes to her. Personal law doesn't apply here. So on 14 February 2000, the district judge agreed with the Patodi family and dismissed both the suits. His reasoning relied on judgment of the Allahabad High Court, and you'll get to know why it's extremely important for this case. That was the judgment, that was the foundation. Well, the Supreme Court overruled the Allahabad High Court judgment, the exact judgment that was used by Saif's family to get an order in their favor. That foundation was gone. On 30th June 2025, MP High Court set aside the entire 2000 judgment. The judge said that the trial court had dismissed the suits, relying upon a judgment reported in 1997, but failed to consider the fact that it has been overruled by the Supreme Court in 2020. So the judge remanded the case back to the trial court to decide it again, preferably within 1 year. But the matter never even reached the trial court, because on 8th August 2025, the Supreme Court stayed the High Court's remand order. By the way, that special leave petition was filed by Umar Farooq Ali, the competing heirs to the estate. Saif's family were the respondents. The next hearing is scheduled on 23rd July this year. So the partition dispute is now at the Supreme Court, but here's a second battle running simultaneously, involving a law so absolute that Parliament specifically amended it to reverse a Supreme Court judgment. That's episode 4. Follow along if you want to know more.